Itemine ria kunina haho ya aikari ya Narok makiria aria mari muhaka-ini honge cia ugitiri iria ni hamwe na ruhonge rwa guthaitira nyamu cia githaka borithi ya njera undu umwe na maabithaa guthaitira mititu nimeranire kugacirithia ugitiri. Kamanda munene kaunti-ini ya Narok Charles Owino agikira mukodi ati ibara ya kuyukia matharaita maria mari na imaramari mugaru na watho muhaka-ini wa Transmara ya irathiro na ithwiro nimekuyukio.
In those places we have the rural border patrol who are patrolling the area 24 hours to ensure that the robbery which normally happens in those far-flung areas does not happen. We have also operation which is going on in Transmara East, between Transmara East and Transmara West, and the area is currently calm.
Oho Owino no ugite athio na atwarithia mitoka barabara-ini ya mai mahio Narok na Bomet ni mari ithũrimagwo migendere-ini yao niguo gutigirira mitino ya barabara ndinahanika makiria mambura-ini maya ma thiguku.
We are also aware of the road accidents which normally happens during the festive season, and we have taken control measures to ensure that the accident which used to happen along the Nairobi-Bomet highway is taken control of. And we have also vehicles and we have roadblocks along our highways to ensure that the highway is safe.
Munini wake komishona munene Kangi niorĩtie maabithaa na macibu mekirire kĩo wira-ini wao kuria hitite kung'ethanĩra na aria mekugonderera wira-ini. Ngiribotira Kameme TV, niĩ njĩtagwo Mwaura wa Ndungu.